Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I want to do a makeup, like a party makeup. You can do this makeup when you're going out with friends, when you're going out with your man, you know. And I just want to show you how I do my makeup if I was going for a party or going out with friends. So I'll quickly start. And before I even start, if you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, and also don't forget to put the notification bell on just to be notified when my next video is up. So I'm going to prime my face, and for my primer I'm using my Master Prime, and I've already done my eyebrows as you can see. So I'll just prime. Now I can go in with my color corrector, this orange one, and I don't use too much of this. I just use it around this area, around my mouth where I tend to be so dark, just to hide that darkness. And then again with this, I'll use the black opal foundation, the stick foundation, as my concealer as well, and just prime this on my lid to prep it before I apply my eyeshadow. So after concealing, I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation, and with my damp beauty blender, you can just go ahead and blend it. So this is the full coverage Maybelline foundation. I want to change my foundation. I've used this one for too long, and if you have an idea of what I can change to, or what you've used and has really been good to you, please share so I can know which one to go look out for. So with the foundation, you just take a little bit at a time. You don't want to do too much and then end up messing, which will take more time in blending. You just want to take a little bit at a time and blend that and add as you go. Blending takes a lot of time. So after you finish doing the first layer, you can always go around and check where you need to add, and just add that area. So now with my powder brush, this one, I'm just going to finish blending that. So when I'm done with that, what I want to do is now go ahead and do my eyeshadow, as the foundation just sinks in well to my skin. Now I'm going to take this invisible black opal powder and just set the concealer and the foundation that I've just applied on top. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this, the Joanna eyeshadow palette, and today I'll use the shade Chocolate and Bold, and maybe I'll figure out the shimmery color as I go. So I'll take the chocolate color. So I want this part to be shimmery, so that's why I'm not applying that part. Then I'll do the other side. The reason why I'm using this brush, well, I should be using the fluffy one, but I just want to be precise in my application. Use any color you like. So when I'm done with that, I'll go with this brush and I'll blend this up. And then now with the shade Bold that I showed you, I don't know if so I've used this Bold and this Chocolate. Now with the shade Bold, I'll take that with this fluffy brush, and then I'll put it now on top of my crease like that. Just let it blend in with the chocolate color. So now what I'm going to do is use my concealer in the shade Fawn, and then I'll take my flat brush and I'll just apply there where I want to have my glitter, my shimmer, I mean. To just apply a small amount so that you can be able to play with it. Then I'll do the other side. And then now I think I'm going to use, I'll use this shade, the Girl Boss, this one over here, the shimmer shade. So this is how it looks. So with my flat brush again, this one, I'm just going to take that and just come here and tap it. Ooh, Lord. Okay, now I'll do the other side. Okay, now when I'm done, I'm going again with the brush that I used before, this, the fluffy one, and I just want to blend, take the chocolate shade and blend here. Oh my. Blend my crease there, just to make sure that harsh line of the shimmer shade is not seen, it's not visible. So then now I'll take the bold shade and the chocolate mixed together, and I'll come and do the end of this side to make sure it looks clean as well. I'm so full, guys. I'm so full. I've taken a lot of smoothie this morning. Like, my smoothie jar was full, and I feel like I should do the bold color again, because I want that orange color to just pop. So that's it for the top lid. Now what I'm going to do is just curl my lashes and apply my mascara first. So I'm using my lash curler, and then I'm going in with my Maybelline mascara. So as they dry, I can go now and highlight my face before I do the lower lashes. So I'm using the shade Fawn still to highlight. And the reason why you're highlighting it, because we want to make this face really pop. So with my damp beauty blender on this side, I can just blend this. I want to go in with this brush and just make sure that the concealer is well blended. Okay, because I do not have contour, what I normally use is I use this shade on my palette to just contour with it. So what I'll do, I'll just take my brush, like this flat brush, and contour my nose. And then now I'll use the big brush with the same shade and just contour this part. And now I'll highlight. So for my highlight, I'm using my banana powder, and with that damp beauty blender, just taking a little bit, and then I'll come here and I can highlight like this part where just below there. So basically this can make your face slimmer. This is the places where I want to pop, where I want like the light to attract light. It's like I'm talking physics. So guys, after applying all this, I just realized that my phone memory was full. So what I did, I applied my blush using this color. And then what I did next, I was just applying my highlighting my face, the glow kit. Now I'm using this, the glow getter, to highlight. And I've just highlighted this part, my nose and my forehead, and on my chin there, and my mouth. So the blush I've applied here, you can see the color on this one and that side. So what I was doing next was blending. My phone does that to me sometimes, so it's a struggle until I get something better. Okay, so now I'll use this sponge and I'll just set my lips and go in with this sponge with my setting powder around my lips. Then I'll use my pencil and then line my lips. And today I'm using Colourpop, sessy, the shade sessy. It's like maroon red, something like that. So guys, my phone went off again. The memory got full, so it's just a tough situation going on here. After I applied my lipstick, what I did is I went in with my Estee Lauder setting spray, and then I did my lashes off camera just to make sure my eyes really pop. So this is it guys, when you are going out with your friends and you want to look really, you want your face to pop, and this just makes your face look awesome. I mean, you look cool, you look snatched. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So leave your comments down in the comment section below and tell me your thoughts about it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And another tip I'll share with you is, like, if you're wearing a top that shows like this area of your bust, what you do is take the fan brush and with the same shade that you've highlighted with, and take that color and just you can see how shiny it is. Just highlight this part and then you'll be looking even more amazing. Enjoy. So have a nice weekend and I love you so much. Thank you.